Hello beautiful people, you have Kim here and I'm back with another video. So in this video I come bearing very good news. I've completed my program, my Masters of Pharmacy, and I'm graduating tomorrow. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for convocation or graduation for my master's degree. So if this is the content you're up for, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and comment down a heart or congratulations in the comment box so that I know you were here watching. And yeah, without wasting much time, let's hop straight into this video.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my love.
So the first thing that I did was transforming my hair from, I'm inserting a picture, I had my afro hair out, so I managed to get my braids done on Sunday. So today is Tuesday, 23rd of May. So I managed to get my hair done on Sunday. After getting my hair done, now I'm just going to do my manicure, pedicure, and I'll get my eyebrows threaded later. As you know, your girls just graduated, no business, nothing, so I'm a broke girl. I can't afford to be going from parlor to parlor getting everything done. So everything in this video is pretty much going to be DIY except for the eyebrow threading. So I'm just going to take you through what I managed to get for my manicure and pedicure. For my hand nails, as you can see, they are plain. I got this natural fake nail kit, and this has 24 pieces and it's just a set of stick-on nails. So according to this, there is like adhesive inside. I'm just going to clean my nails, apply the adhesive and press these on, and they should look amazing just like that. Then for my toes, I got these little press-on nails for like 50 rupees, which is less than $1. I got these, and since they don't have an adhesive or an applicator, I had to buy a brush on nail glue for 100 rupees, and these cost like 200 rupees. So in total, I'm just going to be doing my manicure and pedicure and for like $5. For the fake nails for the hands, I'm just going to open the packaging. So as you can see, this is like a complete set with a tiny little file on it. Oops. Then these are the adhesives, the ones that I stick onto my nails so that these can manage to stick on to the nails and look natural. So I'm just going to use this tiny little file for everything, literally for buffing my nails, both my hand and toenails, then I'll apply. So I'm just going to start by my toenails so that I can easily apply my fingernail. So now that I completely cleaned one foot, I buffed one foot, I'm just going to check for the sizes of these toenails just to see which toenail goes to which foot. Then I'll start with the sticking process. This is the brush on nail glue. I'm just going to apply it. Ooh, there's a brush. Amazing. So I'm just going to apply using this brush to the nail. Then while this dries, I'll apply a little bit to my own nail. After application, I'm just going to hold this against my nail for like 10 seconds and see how that comes out. So this is the final result, guys, for one leg. For these tiny toes, I don't know how to feel about them. I can still see some glue, so I think later when I go get my eyebrows threaded, I'll ask them if they can paint this. That would be better if they paint this plain white. So this is the other foot. These are the results. Overall, I think they look pretty. They just need a little bit of paint and they'll be good. So now let's get into my fingernails, see how they'll come out. I'll start by reading the instruction card on the back of the nails. It says clean your nails, choose the right size, then paste the adhesive and remove the protective film. Fix the nail piece and press for 15 seconds. Then do not contact with water in 2 hours after the completion. Okay, these are the only instructions that are written. So I cleaned my nails already. I'm just going to start buying the adhesive part, or rather I'll start by pushing back my cuticles so that there's a little space. So anyway, whilst I do this, let's talk about why I haven't been posting much. Not even, I haven't posted a video in 3 months. So for the past 3 months I was completing my Pharma program. There's this thing that we needed to do called the thesis. Everyone who's done a master's program has completed a thesis before, and that was hectic. It literally had me on chokehold. So the thing is, whilst we were doing the project, I had compiled my results, but it just so happened that one day I couldn't find my results. Like, I couldn't find the notebook with all my results. So I had to repeat again and stuff. I got hella busy. I was too busy, and after that, being the only international student, I was receiving the least help. Even if I say the least, I'll be lying. I was receiving no help at all. Just a few classmates would help me here and there, but it was hectic. So I completely forgot about YouTube. But however, when I remembered, I started posting shorts. So if you're free after this video, just scroll onto my channel and watch the shows that I've been uploaded. I've done a few hair care videos. I've posted a lot of what to eat in Pedicure videos, because I'd make sure I make time to go and eat out just to relax, because that was stressful. I did Nike skincare products haul. I'll link all these videos maybe in the description box or in the comments, and I'll pin the comment so that you can be able to go directly after completing this video. And if you're still here, please be sure to watch the rest of the video, because you'll be supporting your girl. I hope one day I'll be able to turn this content creation into a full profession. So please support me and watch the full video, and don't forget to subscribe. So with my nails all clean, I'm going to, how am I going to do this now? Because these don't have numbers, but there's a protective film on top, so I'm just going to remove this. After I remove the protective film, I will, maybe I should see which.
Just so you notice too, sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn.
So I think I'm supposed to match like the first size like this. Where is it? Yeah, let me see if that will work. Look at that! Girl! This is too cute. Oh, let me just find all the sizes, then I'll get back when I'm done. So guys, I'm all done with my fingernails, and this is the final result. And I'm in love. Seriously, I am in love. These look like properly gel polished nails, and they're not even complicated. It took me like 10 minutes to install this. So yeah, this is it. Let's see each other in a few hours when I go to the salon to get my eyebrows threaded and my toenails painted. Then we conclude. Hey everyone, so now we're outside. It's just outside my building. There's a little beauty parlor that I've gone to. So I'll be getting threaded and look at my nails under the sun. You won't even believe that these are stick-ons. You won't believe. So this is the beauty parlor that they have outside my house. So I'll just take an appointment, then I'll let you guys watch the whole process.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So guys, eyebrow threading is done, and unfortunately they didn't have gel polish for toenails, so I'll just figure it out by myself. So I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to leave a like. If you're still watching, you're the real OG. Please subscribe, comment, and share this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next lit video. I love you so much. Bye.